Hey guys, my name is Zaina and I'm going to be showing you how to navigate the Prep Doctor's INBDE dashboard. So to start off, you're going to put in the browser prepdoctors.com. That is our main website for the US exams. We have everything you need to know about the upcoming courses, the packages, prices, and what they all include. Up on the top right corner, you can see the login button where you can use that portal to log into your account. If you forgot your password, just click here and reset it. I'm going to log in. This is the main home dashboard, and that's where you have your active courses, any previous courses show in the inactive courses, and you can launch your course through this tab. To check your profile, you can click on profile and you can edit your information here. Frequently asked questions available. Contact us, shoot us a message if you have any concerns. And I'm gonna go back to the home page so I can launch the course. This is where you'll see your 4 main tabs. I'm going to be making videos individually for the test builder, cases, and mock exams and take you through them step by step. So stay tuned for the next video.